So brother,
Yeah.
we want to hear from you all your feelings without any lies. Just tell the truth, what you feel since from the beginning till now, until your first hair washing process.
Yeah.
You will go to the airport after this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, for your whole experience, we want to hear your real feelings.
Okay.
So you can, in this video, you can tell whatever you want.
Okay.
And we just want to hear and share also in our social media profiles for the other patients to see.
Okay. Sure.
So you can just go ahead. You can just give a start whenever you want.
Okay. So I would say that I was, like a lot of people, nervous. I didn't know what to expect. This is my first time traveling to Turkey, traveling to Istanbul. And I'm also by myself, so I didn't know what to expect, and I was trying to figure out from YouTube videos what to expect. I watched a video by Nick Waddell, and it was one of the reasons why I chose Dr. Caymaz, because I felt like I wanted to be in an office where there wasn't going to be a lot going on, not too many patients. So I went with the VIP package, and I felt like it was a real VIP package. You know, I feel like I got my money's worth from the time I arrived until now. I felt like from the airport to the hotel was smooth. Getting checked in at the hotel was good. That first day, I ran into you. You told me about the massage that I could get. So the first day I got a massage, I got a Turkish bath. All of that was helpful because your adrenaline's a little bit high, you're a little anxious. I was able to relax, get a good night's sleep, and then I was ready to go, have my breakfast in the morning. Everything went according to plan. Everything went exactly like it was supposed to go. Nothing happened that I didn't expect, and everything that happened was what I read about or you guys told me about, and that all made me feel comfortable. So just even stuff down to getting the Wi-Fi code offered to me, and you know, everybody making sure that checking, hey, are you feeling, you know, are you relaxed, are you okay? All that stuff was great. You know, you helping me out, the car ride over, all this stuff feels like a VIP package. So, you know, sometimes you hear VIP and they're just saying that. But when you really come to, you know, an office, a place that you've never been before, and you get treated very well while you're in a very vulnerable position, it makes all the difference. And so I felt like Dr. Caymaz did a great job with the hairline. I didn't know where my hairline was going to be. I tried to figure it out at home, but I didn't know. I didn't realize that my temples had receded as much. So when he put the temples in there, then I was able to see, wow, okay. And you guys saw, you guys remember, I had never, it's been so many years. It took me a minute to just adjust to it, but I'm very pleased with the hairline. It's not too high, it's not too low, it's just right. I feel like it frames my face well. The people that I've showed back home, they like where it's at. So I just felt like as soon as the surgery ended, I saw the hairline, I was like, this was already great. But even the aftercare, spending the day with you was great. Just getting to know the city, getting to know the people. All the people in Turkey have been great. They've been attentive, friendly, food has been great, and down to right now, I feel like this is one of the best customer service experiences that I've ever had.
Thank you so much.